Welcome back. April is Autism Awareness Month, and a new service dog is offering unique care for young patients at an autism center at the Hospital for Special Care in New Britain. And joining me now is the new addition herself, Adele. She's been so good already, along with her handler, Allison Souza, an occupational therapist, and Megan Gallagher, the practice manager for the Autism Services Center there in New Britain. Thank you so much for being with us and bringing Adele, and welcome.
Thanks for having us.
This is so wonderful. She is just doing incredible work there, right? Talk about how this all came together.
So Forever in My Heart approached the hospital, and basically they just wanted to help. They wanted to help children with autism, and what better way than bringing a four-legged friend?
And Megan, this is just making such an incredible impact on the patients and really the entire hospital as a whole.
Definitely. We're the only hospital in the state now that has a service dog for our patients. We're very excited to bring her into our outpatient facility, and then also hopefully getting her onto our inpatient unit as well. It's really a unique service that we're able to offer, and yet it also kind of expands already our hippotherapy. Sit up, Adele.
You got it. I don't sit.
Where we have Names and Motions out of Middletown, where we have horses that are owned by the hospital as well.
Talk a little bit more about the unique therapy that Adele does.
So some of our patients are non-speaking, so communication may look or be in the form of a speech-generating device. To motivate children to communicate, we actually programmed Adele's name and a few commands into one of our patients' devices, and before you know it, 2-word utterances right on the device.
That is huge, right?
Yeah, it was really impactful.
I have to imagine parents are impacted by this as well, because if their kids are making incredible progress, I mean, that's a reason for parents to celebrate, and families in general, and the hospital as well.
Absolutely. Families are a huge part of the team in terms of treatment for our children with autism, and anything that we can do to help ease some of the tension, anxiety, and just struggles in general, we want to be able to do.
It's just so great to see. Talk a little bit more also about the hospital's mood in general, just having Adele there.
We had her...
I mean, I think I've been advocating for years to have a newsroom dog, because that would lift spirits incredibly.
Yeah, so we had her gotcha party on Tuesday, where the whole hospital was invited to come out and celebrate us getting Adele, and the smiles on staff from all over the hospital were huge. We had people from all different divisions of the hospital coming out to say hi to Adele. And even just to have her on staff in our outpatient area, she brings a smile to everybody's day. Sometimes it can be really hard to work with kids with autism all day. It's very hard work. It can be very challenging, and she just brings a level of relief to all of us.
And so Adele is a little over 2, so that's because she's been training for 2 years prior to this. Talk a little bit more about the training that she goes through.
Yeah, so Adele went through over 2,000 hours of training to become a service dog, and through that, we initially thought she would be pressing buttons on cause-effect toys, but it's really blossomed into so much more than that. Her calm demeanor helps children be more calm in sessions, and it's really turned into something beautiful.
Yeah, she is calm indeed. She's just kind of hanging out. You deserve a break, Adele. You're doing such incredible work. Thank you both so much for being with us and sharing the incredible work that she is doing, the great partnership with the hospital there in New Britain as well.
Thanks so much for having us.
Thank you.